everyone, I'm Peter from LoveGo. Usually, how do you feel the noise level of your oxygen concentrator? Do you think it is very noisy or very quiet? How does the noise level compare to the other home appliances? In this video, I will show you a brief comparison for the noise levels between oxygen concentrators and some other devices and environment. Let's start. Generally speaking, the noise level of an oxygen concentrator is between 40 to 60 decibels. It is equivalent to an indoor quiet environment. So, how about the noise level of other things that come and so in our daily life? When we have the mild breathing or inhale, the noise level is between 10 to 20 decibels. And in a quiet laboratory, the noise level is 30 to 40 decibels. For the refrigerator that we use at home, the noise level is between 40 to 60 decibels. For our daily normal conversation, the noise level is between 50 to 60 decibels. If you have a vacuum cleaner, the noise level is between 70 to 80 decibels while using. And in a busy street with the traffic, the noise level is around 80 decibels. If you attend a rock concert, the noise level is around 110 decibels. If you take a plane, the noise during takeoff is about 120 decibels. For human beings, the normal noise level is below 85 decibels, so it won't do much harm to our health. And for your oxygen concentrator, it is equivalent to the quiet indoor environment like the refrigerator, or it also can be like the noise level as we have a normal conversation. If you find that it has become too noisy, please pay attention to it because it may have any issues, and you shall contact your supplier.